Hi there everyone! Today I want to share a recipe an old-fashioned jam cake. The great thing about this cake is that it's naturally sweetened with jam, without any added sugar. This is a childhood favorite of mine. It's incredibly easy to make, wonderfully soft and absolutely delicious. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Next, mix together 2 cups of apple jam or any jam of your choice and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Let it rest about 5 minutes. Then add 2 beaten eggs, half cup of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, pinch of salt. Gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and mix until well combined. Put the batter into a 9 by 18-inch square cake pan, greased and dusted with flour, and lined with parchment paper. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until the brick comes out clean from the center. Once baked, let the cake rest in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. After the cake has cooled, dust it with powdered sugar or top it with your favorite frosting. And that's it! Your cake is ready to serve and enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.